How to edit Facebook Reels after posting. So if you want to edit Facebook Reels after posting, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Facebook. Now go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and go with your profile. Now under your profile, if you scroll down, then you will have the Reels section. So you can go with your Reels or your videos that you would like to edit. So in my case, I don't have any Reels, but you can just go with your video or reel, and under your reel you can go with the top right, which will have 3 dots icon, or just let me post a reel. In order to post a reel, you can go with the upper right, which has that plus icon, and then tap on reel. After selecting your reel, you can just simply go and upload it and wait for it to upload. Once done, now here you have your reel, right? You can go with your profile now, and from your profile you can scroll down and go with reel, which is right here. Once you have your reel, you can go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and here you will have edit reel. Tap on edit reel. As you can see that I've already posted and I'm editing my reel after posting. So you won't be able to edit your video, but you'll be able to edit your caption, your hashtag, your mention. Like for example, I've not added any captions previously, and now I'll add some caption and mention, and after that your visibility, which is who can see this reel. You can edit that and then go with save, and that's it. It has been saved. That's how you can edit your Facebook Reels after posting. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.